playing golf. Oh, by the way, forgot to tell you, this is where I'm playing golf. You've got to love that. The Mount Mayon. Oh, and for everybody out there, just so you know, it's not erupting. There is nothing going on. So don't believe everything you see in the media. This is proof.
Morning. Welcome. Hello.
Ah, there's my main man Arnold. He's a member of this club.
No, I'm just a player.
But with a beautiful backdrop.
Oh, I see. Okay. I'll take a practice swing.
Oh, nice. I've got to cover that.
Kasi nag-google. Atay siya. Teka na nagpulisado? Bicolano ka na talaga? Anong probinsya mo? Oh, Ilocos. Bigan. Norte? Bigan. Bigan? Doon, di ba Norte yan?
Shame.
Kaya ito naman sa Bilaya.
Try that again. Oh, nice shot, Anna.
Thank you. Nice view, Volcano.
Yeah, very nice view. It's one of the best views you'll ever have at a golf course. Oh, sliced that one. Never mind, practice makes perfect.
All right.
Now let's see what we can do. Get it in the right way. Oh, sky high. There you go. No pressure. No pressure. That's the prices, guys, if you want to play here. Guest driving range is 300, members 200. Caddy fees for 9 holes. If you want to go out with a caddy, you don't have to, you can just do what you want. It's absolutely brilliant, man.
Wala na kasi yung negosyo niya sa ano na pati ano na yung appliances nila. So, yung payment dun sa collection.
Saya nak apa dia seperti itu.
Sa sana yung gandang negosyo. Kapanga.
Apa na? Ah, sa ano? Sa blue. Ah, blue ano? Sa baka di sa may card. May card?
Dumi yung ano yung negosyo niya. Kaya wala sa rito man sa tagal yung mga 1 year na po.
Nice shot.
Not bad.
You know what? Still amazed sa abay siya.
Why? You're just a good player, my friend.
No,
No, you are.
it's just a lucky shot. Ah,
There's no luck. Like your man said, muscle memory.
Kaya lang nandito na yung anak, medyo nandito
Going on. Right. Not too sure whether you guys can see it, but if I put my finger just there and then straight down to there, that is smoke coming out the top, the very top of the volcano as we're playing golf. It's around 8:30 in the morning, but it's a lovely backdrop and you can actually smell the ash. If I move across just a little bit, post, that gives you a better view. The Mayon Golf Club we're at. We're here for a couple of hours just on the practice range and just to enjoy.
Nagbabago sila. Oo.
Except kaya pa sa ano niya, binibenta niya. Binibili niya ng mura yun, tapos binibenta.
Oo.
Actually, binibili niya sa ano, Pampanga pa.
Oo.
Kasi mura ron eh.
Oo, sa Pampanga.
Mga sinisisid lang ng mga kabataan.
Oo.
Kasi malalim ang date eh. Kaya kung bumili sila ron, sako-sako. Isang baksakan lang.
Tapos, pagdating doon, pili mo ako pa ako ng type list.
Yan. Mamula. Mamula. Kapag hindi pa ron,
Ito, kali ko ba? Ito.
kung saan yan?
Oo, kali ko ba? Kasi ito, sa kunya nagtagpapito. Ngayon, binenta sa kanya, mahal. Sabi ko, Baro, kubaan mo, kukunin ko. Nagpalunas ko.
Pero nila.
5,000 yata yan.
Ang dami pang mura niya.
5,000. Kaya lang, kita ito kasama.
Thank you.
Ayun lang.
I like your signal, like Ernie Els.
Doing good.
I'm enjoying it.
Yeah.
It's like 2 years since I played last.
How long?
2 years.
Oh,
Long time
Yeah,
ago,
so
long time ago.
just yeah,
maybe the rust will go out.
yeah, maybe. Either the rust will go out or I just have shoulder pain tomorrow. He's like,
Probably yes.
never mind.
Anyway, you just enjoy.
Exactly. We're here to enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh, right hook. Oh.
Oh, that's good. One. So crispy.
Ano, asan yung pinagawa? Asan yung pinagawa?
Ito, okay na ito. Ito po na ito. Hindi tama. Yung tingbakan. Ano? Yung para makita. Exactly siya. Kaya lang hindi maano. Kaya makikita mo sila ng mga okay, kasi hindi siya makapasang mabuti.
It's a really good vehicle. Right after our little golf session, We're just going to go and have a look around.
Yeah.
Gonna see what is at the top here and
That is
have
the
a look
hole
at the
number
pool.
10.
Oh, this is, we're going up to hole number 10.
Yeah, somewhere there, on the left side. I thought, I thought there's no stair here.
This is all new.
Yeah. I'm going to look for a comfort room.
Over there.
See? Right on the foot of Mayon.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Complete with pool. Wow. Oh, it's open. So if you come to the Mayon Golf Club, you can come up as a member and use the pool. All very clean, all very tidy. And if you want to lounge around on any given day, eat out, outside bar, Nipa bar. It's over here. Oh, and always with the majestic Mount Mayon in the background. Always with Mount Mayon. Here's an area to sit down. Oh, let's just go up.
Hindi oh, maghapon din eh.
Oh, let's go up here and have a look. Oh, sketchy. Oh, these stairs are not exactly brilliant, but hey. Oh no, look at that, a view deck. Over there in the distance you can see, oh, what? Over there in the distance you can actually see the sea. That is down by Legazpi Boulevard. And here, the majestic Mount Mayon. What a beautiful sight. No lava, no smoke, no ash. Just, there you go.